guys, what's up? Gaurav here from V8DXP. An exciting day ahead. We're going to be going to the Dubai Autodrome for the Pirelli World event. We're going to be driving the Audi R8 on the track. Now, I've been on the track a few times with different cars, but never with my own car. It's going to be an interesting experience to see how far I can push this car and see what the day ahead like. Driving to the Autodrome now. Let's reach there and let's see what we can do.
Are we gonna smoke everyone today?
Let's see.
Maybe. Smile of confidence.
Oh, it's the Ferrari.
Lotus.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
So the Group A has just gone out and they've warmed up themselves. Now it's time to take this one out for the Group B. We have a few competition over here. Let's see how this goes. So there you have it, guys. Good fun we've had on the track, and I'm very happy with how the R8 performed. Considering it's a V8, it did really well. Very happy with the car, and I think I did a good job driving it as well. So that's about it, guys. For most of the stories around the R8 and Dubai in general, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.